Integrity is a brand new boat, launched in June 2012. She's based on Victorian cutters from circa 1880. In length on deck she's 43 feet, her beam is 11 feet, her draft 7'6". This boat is traditionally built. You should be able to put this boat back in 1880, and apart from the engine there wouldn't be any surprises, nobody would lift an eyebrow. I think if you're coming out to have a sailing experience like this, and yes, there are ropes to pull, it's a very interactive thing. What one's trying to achieve with a boat, any boat, and I'm making this boat era specific to circa 1880, is functional aesthetics with structural integrity.